Diba? While I'm cooking. While I'm baking. They're baking too. Kalat pa mo. Away pa mo. They're bored. That's why. Jackson, play nice. Sige. Tapos ginawa ko pati yung flour. I'm baking. May away pa moment yan. Kasi si Liam ayaw mag-share. Gusto na ipalit yung kanya. It's okay, you have already big one.
Big one.
You have already big one.
That's a big one.
It's okay.
I want a
Kalat
big
ako.
one. No.
Ask your brother nicely. Jackson, can we split this mine?
Just split this mine.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Dami ko na naman lilinisin.
This
Mga
one.
auto na to. Lagi na lang akong pinapaano. Oh, Mariose. Saon na lang ang day ni mother. Bored kasi sila eh. Bored na boredan sila oy. Don't put in your face, ha? You guys gonna eat lunch soon. Ay, pambuhutan yung auto.
It's bedtime.
What?
Bedtime.
Yeah, bedtime soon after you guys eat lunch.